Welcome back. This morning we are going to check out the Outon, the portable espresso machines. This is a full electric, so let's go check it out. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys one of my favorite spots in Tucson. Let's go. Comes to portable espresso machine, I try a lot of them out there. This particular espresso machine is really unique because this full electric. Okay, so you don't have to heat up the water. This machine actually heat up the water for you. So there's no pump action. Okay, just the single buttons, heat up the water, and give you espresso shots. So this is a basic model. And there is a upgraded filter baskets, but we're not going to try that this morning. I just want to try just the basic model. Something really cool about making coffee outdoor. If your coffee is mediocre at home, same coffee outdoor tastes amazing. I don't know about you, but surrounded by nature. Something about it. But the spot is beautiful out this morning. Sun is coming up. The only thing left is let's make some coffee. I mean, this is brewer. This is like all in one. You don't need a kettle for this. This called Outon. The brew the hot water for you, and then our pressurized baskets, and then after a couple of minutes it's going to be shoot out the espresso. So here's what we need. We need one here, just the machine, and then obviously we need a hand grinder, unless you're going to bring the pre-ground coffee, but you know, I prefer freshly ground coffee in the morning. And then just a little bit of coffee beans. I got a small canister here. And then what else we need? Pretty much it. Obviously hot water. So this is my thermos. This is pretty cool. Okay, small thermos, but keep the warm really hot. Okay, I think this is made by Fellow. And then what else? That's about it, right? Since I don't have a scale here, because this one I like to use about 7 or 8 grams, so that's pretty small. So I'm gonna, instead of measuring out, since I don't have scale, I just put some coffee beans in it, just like so. That's how much I'm gonna grind it, maybe a little more. I wish there's an electric outdoor hand grinder. You know, portable hand grinder would be a lot nicer, but I mean, unfortunately, there's no. I don't know. Is there such thing? I'm not quite sure, but brewing espresso outdoor is with hand grinders. It takes a little while. Okay. Luckily, I'm not doing 18-gram dose, smaller dosing this morning, so it's not as bad. But if you imagine if you're doing 20-gram dose for like group of like 3 or 4. That's a lot of work. So I'm almost done already. Yeah, here we go. Let's take a look at the grinds. Since it's going to be a lot of static as well, like you see, I'm just going to tap it before. Since I'm in the deserts in Arizona, very dry here. Okay, that's better. Just make sure to tap it. I'm just going to put the transfer copy to my little cup here. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to remove the top of the Outon. So here's where all the coffee is going in. Okay, remove the top. So that's where coffee fits in. So this dosing cup, it fits right over, just like that. So I'm going to put you can do 2 ways. So you can put the coffee beans here first and then transfer, or you can try to directly dose here as well. So whatever is easier for you. Personally, I like to use a small spoon to transfer coffee beans to coffee grinds to just filter baskets. Okay, should be a lot easier. It can be a little messy, but it's all right since this is outdoors. So just like so. Just use your hand, just tap it in, and then after that, use the little basket. Just press it in. Okay, just like so. Press it in. So now, so this is a pressurized basket. So it doesn't need to be perfect grind size. So let's put everything together. So I'm just gonna put back in the top here. Just squeeze in. Goes right here, just like so. Okay. Put back in. Just like that. Just make sure everything's tight. Okay. And then I brought my hot water from house. By the way, this thermos keeps the water really hot. So obviously, it's gonna be less heat to less battery power to heat up the water. So it's gonna save some time. All right, I'm just gonna squeeze that one in. Only thing we gotta do is you just hold down the button. You can hear all the beep noise there. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna press button. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Okay, you guys hear that beep noise? And then we just wait. And I can already hear the boiling. Again, having the hot water definitely saves some time. And I'm already at 3 dots. Okay. So that's the temperature indicator. Once you hit the number 4 dots there, and it's gonna start making some noise and pulling out the shot. I'm just gonna have a mug. I'm just gonna sit on the top. Okay, just like it, and just wait. Okay, wait for a few minutes, not even a few minutes, for this rate. Hopefully you guys can hear the sound. Yeah, I can definitely hear the boiling sound. And I'm at the number 4. The 4th light is blinking. Yeah, hard to see it with the lights, but yeah. We're close to the beat done here. It's nothing like brew, coffee outdoor. I feel like the mediocre coffee tastes so much better in outdoor. Here we go. Coffee should coming up surely. Yeah, here we go. It's not bad, guys. Yeah. When it comes to water level, I put the maximum too, because I like to have more water and more coffee. Okay, so this is it. Just so simple, so easy. I got good amount of espresso out. Let's try this. Okay, let's try this coffee before. I'm gonna add some water after that, but so this is more like maybe like 10-gram shot, right? 10-gram shot, but a lot of liquid out as well. Cheers, guys. Actually, you know what? So this is the Imagine espresso with a little bit of water. It's good, okay? It's not bad at all. But I think I prefer add some hot water here. Yeah, I got some hot water already. I'm just gonna add some more hot water. Okay. So now I have a beautiful Americano. So let's try one more time here. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I mean, especially I brought the dark roast coffee too, so it's very comforting. Just look at the view. Just look at this view here. Just absolutely gorgeous. In a place like this, any coffee tastes wonderful. You know, you don't have to have a nice cup either. You know, just plastic cup, brew some coffee. Again, this is dark roast coffee. Sometimes I think about maybe like bring some really fancy coffee, like maybe some like light roasted geisha perhaps, but I think this is good enough. Okay, good enough. Just, I mean, the start is the outdoor. Okay, start is outdoor, and then obviously, you know, having just coffee is, you know, icing on the cake. So anyway, definitely this one, Outon, check it out. Okay, I mean, I really like it so far. So far, so good. All right, I hope this video helps. I'm gonna see you guys next time.